In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number in Woocommerce, specifically focusing on Woocommerce shipping. First, make sure you're on your WordPress site. Head over to wordpress.com, where everything you need to build and manage your website is at your fingertips. Once you're there, look for the Login option, usually prominently displayed at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website where all the magic happens. From here, look to the side menu on the left and find where it says Plugins. Plugins are powerful tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and they can significantly enhance what you can accomplish with your WooCommerce store. Click on Plugins to get started. Once you're on the Plugins page, there's an option right at the top to add new. Click on this to start the process of finding and installing the plugin we need. In the search bar, you're going to type Advanced Shipment Tracking for Woocommerce. This plugin is specifically designed to help you manage and communicate shipment tracking information to your customers efficiently. This feature is crucial for maintaining transparency and building trust with your customers, as they'll appreciate being kept in the loop regarding the status of their orders. After you've entered the name, the search results will display, and you should see Advanced Shipment Tracking for Woocommerce pop up. Hover over it, and an option should appear for you to click on. Select it to proceed. After clicking, you'll find a big button saying Install Now. Go ahead and click on that. The installation process should only take a few seconds. Once the plugin is installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Clicking Activate is a crucial step because it ensures the plugin is up and running, allowing you to start using its features immediately within your WooCommerce store. Now the plugin is activated, congratulations! You've just added powerful shipment tracking capabilities to your WooCommerce site. Remember to check out the settings within the plugin to tailor it to your specific needs. Some customization might be needed to align with your brand's style, preferences, and policies. This not only makes your store more polished and professional, but also can significantly enhance your users' experience, providing them with the best customer service possible, directly through efficient and effective communication of shipping updates. That's all for today's guide. Remember to keep experimenting with new features to continually improve your store's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!